What if it wasn't mere luck that paved the paths for global icons and visionaries? What if the wealth and influence of today's leading entrepreneurs and changemakers were not just the result of favorable genetics or fortunate acquaintances? Consider the journeys of individuals who have redefined excellence, such as Elon Musk, pioneering space travel and electric vehicles; Malala Yousafzai, championing girls' education against all odds; or Greta Thunberg, whose voice has resonated across continents to spark a global environmental movement. These remarkable figures did not merely stumble upon success. They uncovered a profound universal principle that propelled them to their greatness. You can do the same. This same principle has been embraced by sports legends like Tiger Woods, who refined his golfing prowess to unparalleled heights, and Serena and Venus Williams, who redefined tennis with their relentless dedication. It's the principle that fueled Michael Jordan to rise to basketball immortality and inspired tech innovators like Bill Gates and social activists like Martin Luther King Jr. What is this profound common thread, this secret, so deceptively simple, yet incredibly transformative? It is the unwavering commitment to their vision, the relentless pursuit of excellence, and the resilience to overcome every obstacle no matter what. It's the practice of mindful persistence, the daily rituals of growth, and the holistic integration of mind, body, and spirit towards achieving one's highest potential. It's about the investment in you. Now, if you are looking to unblock your money-making pipes and to stop worrying about finances, my books for sure can provide you with insights and tools you will need to grow. A Path to Wisdom will guide you through transforming your mindset, listening to those inner alarms, allowing you to harness your inner power and make smarter financial decisions. #Loneliness addresses the emotional and psychological barriers that often hold us back, helping you to build a more connected, more meaningful connections and support networks that can enhance your financial well-being and to create those mind shifts that bring you into oneness paradigm. The Unfakeable Code is about living authentically and confidently, which can significantly impact your financial success by aligning your actions with your true self. Finally, A Path to Excellence will inspire and equip you with 8 principles that gives you the strategies to excel in every area of your life, including your finances. If you are ready to take the next step, contact my PA at info@tonyselimi.com to book a breakthrough coaching consultation with me. Together we will dive deeper and we will create what you need to do in order to activate that wisdom within, to shift your mindset, to create an emotional mastery. But you also can enroll in my Udemy course, Overcoming Your Resistance to Change. There you will find plentiful strategies how to do that on your own. For a transformative experience, join me in my 5-day Client Greater one-on-one life and business mastery, vital planning, advanced training and coaching experience taking place around the world in most beautiful locations. And if you are looking to inspire your TV, your radio, podcast, magazine, or event audience, reach out to my PA at info@tonyselimi.com. Let's connect and let's make a difference. Thank you for joining me today. Let's embark on this journey to greatness together. Together we thrive. Together we can shine, and together